Welcome guys to IGCSE Physical Education. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on Unit 1, Anatomy and Physiology, and we're going to be focusing on the mock exam questions throughout the years. For the answer, name one function of the skeleton. It can be support and shape, movement, protection, and red blood cell production. There are several examples of synovial joints and their locations in movement. For exam purposes, it's important to know the hinge joint, which is in the knee and also in the elbow, that results in movements of flexion and extension, and the ball and socket joint that results in multiple movements in the shoulder girdle and in the hips. So there's multiple movements in the ball and socket joints: adduction, flexion, extension, rotation, circumduction. What is the role of synovial membrane? It lines the capsule of the joint, it secretes synovial fluid, it prevents the leakage of synovial fluid. What is the role of synovial fluid? It lubricates the joints and provides easy movement. Give an example of pivot joint, the neck joint, and the spinal joint between the atlas and the axis. Apart from providing support and movement, name two other functions of the skeleton. It protects internal organs and red blood cell production. With the different types of movement in the body, flexion is bending of the limb. So, for example, drawing back the foot for a kick in soccer, and this can take place at the knee. Then the second movement is abduction, movement away from the body, and then this can take place at the hip and at the shoulder joint. And then there is extension, the next movement is straightening of the knee or straightening of the limb, and this can be at the knee or elbow. With regards to the question of identifying the two differences between a ligament and a tendon connects muscles to bones. They are storage sites for energy. They are stretchy and flexible. A ligament connects two bones together at the joint. They stabilize the joint and they are slightly elastic. The two bones labeled at A and B are the radius and ulna respectively. Describe how the pelvis helps to fulfill one of the main functions of the skeleton. It acts as a large surface area for muscle attachment and also acts as protection for the muscles of the pelvic girdle. Name the type of joint. It is a synovial joint. Question number 2. Name the parts of the joint labeled A and B. A is synovial fluid. B is hyaline cartilage. Question number 3. How do the parts labeled A and B help in effective movement of joints when running? Uh, Part A, it lubricates the joint and provides ease of movement so that the joint can easily move. Part B, it prevents the two bones from rubbing against each other because there is hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is a strong fibrous structure.